Cyclones happen in three stages: tropical cyclones, severe cyclones, super cyclones. When the wind speed is less than 74 miles per hour, it is called a tropical cyclone. When the wind becomes stronger and reaches 75 to 120 miles per hour, it is called a cyclone or severe cyclone. If the wind speed exceeds 120 miles per hour, it becomes a super cyclone. How are cyclones formed? Where do they happen? What about hurricanes and typhoons? Let's find out. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to Rutven The Learning Hub for more interesting videos. Cyclones are rotating systems of clouds formed over water. Cyclones, hurricanes, and typhoons are the same events, but with different names based on location. Hurricane, Atlantic and Northeast Pacific. Typhoon, Northwest Pacific. Cyclone, South Pacific and Indian Ocean. In general, hurricanes occur in the northern hemisphere while cyclones happen in the southern hemisphere. They also spin differently. Cyclones rotate clockwise and hurricanes rotate counterclockwise. Where do cyclones form? Cyclones form when atmospheric pressure is low. A large water body is calm and warm, above 26.5 degrees Celsius. What is atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric pressure is the weight of air pushing on the Earth's surface. It is highest at the surface and decreases as we go higher, because there's less air above. When low pressure develops over warm waters, it leads to the formation of a cyclone. This process is called cyclogenesis. How does a cyclone grow? Warm air rises, creating gaps. Cold air with moisture sinks and heats up, rising quickly. More air rushes in to fill these gaps, moving faster over long distances. Instead of filling the gaps, the air starts spinning, forming a spiral. This spiral grows larger, creating thunderstorms and strong winds. Tropical cyclones can grow up to 10 kilometers high and 100 to 2,000 kilometers wide. How long do cyclones last? Cyclones last 3 to 7 days depending on their size, speed, and distance from land. They weaken or disappear when they move over land or colder water. Contrary to belief, land does not block cyclones. Instead, cyclones lose strength because they no longer get energy from warm water. Since 957 AD, nearly 11,182 tropical cyclones have been recorded in the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. The largest was Typhoon Tip in 1979, near the Philippines, which spanned 2,000 kilometers.